welcome back. Today, let's learn table tennis with Coach Chen Kangning. How to have a good serve. Add side spin to your serve.
Your left side spin should aim for the inner side. I find the inner side. Doesn't matter if it's top side or underside. It's a reverse spin, right? It's right side spin, so it should curve that way. Your final serve always goes straight. Look at mine. Even if I want to serve straight, I can't. Rubbing it will definitely make it curve that way. It has to curve. If it doesn't curve when you serve, it means you didn't find the outer edge of the ball. Right, this applies to all serves. Reverse spin, right? Same goes for backhand serves. Find this outer edge. It's all right side spin. That's called reverse spin. You say your serve looks fancy and cool, but in the end, the ball just goes straight. It's definitely wrong. If I serve short, I will never serve in a way that makes you comfortable. I'll either squeeze it toward you a bit or make you stretch out for it. I will never serve directly to your hand. Even if I occasionally serve short to your forehand. If I serve like this, short to the forehand, doesn't it become a comfortable ball again? It looks like it's going to a wide angle. Curve back into the forehand. When it curves, isn't it again a spot reachable in one step? Wasn't that just what happened? You see, it looked like I served wide, but the curve brought it right here. Exactly where you step out with one foot to reach it. So it's not uncomfortable anymore. That's why many people serve left sidespin. Serve short to the forehand without side spin. Why do they serve like that? To make it barely spin or even no spin, right? Just a slight hook. Where did it go? They served like this, right? It landed and went outward. You still have to reach. Uncomfortable again. So what if I serve like this instead? Uncomfortable again, where does it go? It goes inward. So as soon as you step in, it's right in your hitting zone. This is brushing with the spin. There's also another way. This is brushing against the spin. Do you know why? When I brush with the spin, I'm using a small hidden force. I'm slightly borrowing the spin. When I brush against the spin, I have to generate all the force myself. I have to cancel out your spin. Try it again. Let's go. When I brush with the spin, it's lighter. It's soft, right? Now look again. When I brush against the spin, clearly I'm using more effort than when brushing with the spin. Using a lot more force. I won't randomly use power. Right. Just follow your spin. Tap it slightly and that's it.
那我发短球呢，我永远不会发的让你舒服。我要么给你挤过来一点，要么让你够出去一点。我绝对不发你手，甚至于我偶尔发个正手短，我就不发侧旋。我如果发这样，发正手短，是不是又变成舒服球了？看起来发的角度挺大，但是左侧旋是不是到了正手这样往里拐啊？等到往里拐，是不是又是一步能到的地方了？好，刚刚是不是这样的？你看，我看起来发的角度挺大。是不是拐的位置正好在这儿？是不是你出一脚正好上来的地方？所以就不别扭，那怎么办？所以很多人发这套左侧旋，突然发正手短，永远不发侧旋，他这么发。为什么要这么发？要么变成一个小转不转，对吧？要么什么呢？勾着一样发。往哪儿走了？往外走了，这么发了，对吧？落台往外走了，是不是还得够出去了？又别扭了吧？哦，那我如果这么发呢？别扭吗？还往哪儿走了？往里面走了，是不是你手脚正好在手上？懂了吗？ 这是顺着旋转摆，对吧？还有一种，这是逆着旋转摆。你知道为啥吗？我顺着摆，我是小按劲，是有点借力给出去的。我逆着摆，我一定要自己给劲儿，我要抵消掉你的旋转。试试看，再来。你看啊，顺着摆我会比较轻，柔的，是不是啊？那你再看。我逆着摆是不是自己明显的要比顺着摆要用劲儿？你再看一个，
对，
用的劲儿很大。那你看我顺旋转摆，我不可能乱用劲儿的，对吧？够了，当顺你的这个旋转点一下结束。你左侧旋是找内侧，所以说它往那边拐，然后找到内侧，我不管侧上侧下，我往那边拐。那好了，我勾手是什么？是逆旋转，对吧？是右侧旋。那你要往那边拐啊，你最后发的球都直的。你看我想发直我都发不了，我只要找到球的外侧摩擦，它必然是往那边拐，右侧，对吧？它一定拐弯。你说你发的不拐弯，说明你没有找到球的哪里？外侧，对吧？我包括发这种逆旋转，对吧？还有发反手发球，你看找到这个外侧，它也拐。它这个都是统一都是右侧旋，叫逆旋转，对吧？那左侧旋呢，我找到里面，你看它肯定往那边拐。这最基本的，你说你发的球他妈样子很酷，最后发过来球都直来直去的，那肯定不对，说明你没找到球的外面，对不对？
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.